What is stop-loss order in Forex trading? Apart from take profit, an equally important pre-calculated price level used by traders today is called stop-loss. As the name suggests, this is a type of pending order that allows the trader to set a predefined level on the price chart that closes a losing position. In other words, it ensures a minimum loss as it closes the position. Stop-loss is abbreviated as SL. For example, a trader goes long, in other words, enters a buy position, by entering the market at 1.2980, expecting prices to rally higher. He knows that the market is unpredictable, however, and that it may go in the opposite direction than his expectation. So he calculates the risk before entering the market, and places a stop-loss order below the entry price. If the bid price hits the predefined stop-loss price at 1.2880, the position is closed and a minimum loss is ensured. Similarly, if a trader enters a sell-short position, expecting prices to fall, he would place a protective stop-loss order at a higher level than the entry price in case prices spike up. If the ask price hits the predefined stop-loss price, the position is closed and minimum loss is ensured. Stop-loss has been designed to protect your capital by ensuring a minimum loss. It is a level set by the trader in advance according to how much he or she is willing to risk and/or lose. It's important to remember that stop-loss and/or take-profit orders may be placed on instant execution accounts simultaneously when entering the market. On market execution accounts, you can specify a stop-loss or take-profit order when placing a pending order to enter the market. Stop-loss and take-profit are both crucial elements of risk management, something that will be covered in a future video.
Want to be the first to know about new videos? Hit the subscribe button now.